Clayton and Lynn. Yeah. Great. Or Grant, whatever his name is. Dad's right from America. Good to be young.
Hey, look at that, look.
Well, big night tonight, or what?
No.
What have you got?
Girl, boy.
What?
It's a local girl.
What have you got there?
Flower for you.
Yes,
Look.
cheap. Pick up my flowers to give me.
Oh, geez, better than none, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Here you go. For you.
All right.
Put that thing away now.
So when are you leaving?
Put the thing away. You said you only had a couple.
1 minute. 1 minute gone. Boys are leaving. Go back home.
One provincial court. It's a small suit.
You got more going back than you had coming home.
Minutes overdue there, bud.
That's the last.
Long minute.
59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54. Who's doing the driving?
Probably all of us, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing the driving, but it depends on how much money you got, whether your sons get to St. John safely or not.
Well, I guess they're dead. I guess they're goners.
You too can be a star.
Yeah.
I guess they're goners, you hear that?
I guess.
She said, I guess they're goners.
Yeah, I better say goodbye now, I guess.
Better say goodbye forever.
Let's see.
What's that?
How does it sound, though?
Anyway, we just have to just give the name that's on the
Just see what it sounds like.
Oh, no sweat. You want me to play it too?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I might need a few weeks instruction from Lenny, but here, Leonard, don't be running away. Because I can't play it. Let him hear beat the camera then.
Just to see how it sounds. Just see how it sounds, though.
Just see how it sounds.
Or to hear how it sounds.
That freaking camera there. How's that?
Just to hear how it sounds, though.
I can hear it from way over there. Get closer.
No.
I don't know what to play by.
Look at all the people stopping on the road, look.
Don't that remind you of the year?
There.
Bertie, don't that remind you of the year you went to St. John's on Felicia and Emma's honeymoon?
Yeah, because we're going to be out here in a second this year.
Yeah.
She got it on, the lens is still on, look.
They're going in their Cadillac.